In this question, you're asked to find the angle between the pair of lines joining the origin with the point of intersection of these two curves. That is, we have a general quadratic. This might be some curve which looks like this. And you have the line y is equal to 3x plus 2, which might look like this. And these are the 2 points of intersection. Now you're asked to find the angle between the pair of lines joining origin with these points of intersection. You're asked to find this angle theta. So how can we do this? First, we'll try to find the equation of this pair of lines, and once you get the equation, we have the formula for angle between the lines. So how do we get this pair of lines? So this pair of lines can be obtained by homogenizing the second degree equation with the first degree equation. So equation of pair of lines is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. The quadratic terms does not change, plus 4x times is the linear term, so we have to make this into a quadratic term. So 4x times, so carefully observe this equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. This implies y minus 3x is equal to 2. This implies y minus 3x by 2 is equal to 1. Y minus 3x by 2 is equal to 1. So 4x can be written as 4x times 1 or y minus 3x by 2 plus 8y times again y minus 3x by 2 is equal to 11 times y minus 3x by 2 whole square. For linear terms, we multiply a linear, with the constant we multiply a quadratic. This implies, so what is the effective x square term that you have? X square here, so this 2, let's cancel 2 times, 4 times, so x square minus 6x square, so you have minus 5x square, 3y square plus 4y square plus 7y square, 2xy plus 2xy, 4xy minus 12xy. This minus 8xy is equal to 11 by 4 times y square plus 9x square minus 6xy. So this implies this 4 gets multiplied here. So you have minus 20x square. If this goes on to that side, 9x square plus 20x square is 29x square. You have 28y square, have 11y square here. So 11y square minus 28y square is minus 17y square. Minus 32xy, you have a minus 66xy. So minus 66xy plus 32xy. So 66 minus 32 is 34xy is equal to 0. So you have 29x square minus 17y square minus 34xy is equal to 0. So this implies on cross multiplication. So you have minus 20x square, 99x square here. So 99 plus 20. 99 plus 20. 119x square. So you have a 28y square and 11y square. 11y square minus 28y square. It is minus 28 minus 11 is 17y square, and minus 32xy We have a minus 66xy here. So minus 66 plus 32 is 34xy is equal to 0. So if you cancel a 17 here, so 17 sevens are 119. So you get 7x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. So this will be the equation of this pair of lines. So what is the angle between the pair of lines? Tan theta is equal to 2 root h square minus AB. H is 1. So 1 square is 1 minus AB is plus 7 by A plus B. 7 minus 1 is 6. That is 2 times root 8 is 2 root 2 by 6. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. So this will be the angle between these pair of lines. Thank you.